So again, I just threw up on the screen in case you're interested in looking just a couple of, kind of just core, diagrams here, just showing you how easy this system is. I mean, here's a standard, I'm plugging into a core. I'm going through a structured cabling system, that MPO adapter there. I'm going into a trunk, going out to a cassette module. So I go from, parallel on one side to duplex on the other side.
Yep.
Okay? Easy. All right? All of a sudden, say, if you remember the last drawing on the left-hand side, okay, same scenario on the right-hand side, but now I want to take out that cassette module, and I want to hit various different LCs on my switch there. Boom. Pull out that cassette module, slide in that adapter panel, and I plug in that harness cable. Easy to do, okay? Genders are already taken care of. We don't have to worry about that, all right? Here's a scenario again. Here's strictly a duplex link from end to end. Again, one LC jumper, the same on each side, one cassette module, the same on each side, one style trunk, okay? Works on both sides, all right? That same link, if you remember the slide again previously, I know this is hard to follow when you're flipping through slides. It's sometimes hard to follow the diagrams. But this is a scenario where previously, okay, this is a duplex system, and here's what we're really referring to, right? So now I have a duplex system. Just say I'm using BiDi, right? I'm transmitting 40 gig. Okay, well I need 100 gig now. I got some new switches in. Boom. All right. Now on each side, my jumpers become MPO based, okay?
Yep.
I pulled those cassette modules out. I put those MPO panels in. Therefore, I'm utilizing our same enclosures that we already have in our racks. Put feed-through adapters in, and I'm plugging right in, okay? No cost, with the exception of, obviously, the adapters.
Yep.
But no, pricey equipment. No conversion modules or anything, okay? The system works. The gender is already taken care of on the MTP trunk, regardless of what you're using. The genders are already taken care of on the MTP jumpers. They work plugging it in to the machines, as you see, and they work plugging it into the structured cabling system with the same type of jumper. You can take this jumper, for example, out of the structured cabling system here, and you can just go machine to machine and connect if you had a scenario like that. Again, simple.
Yeah.
Simple. Again, truly what I think the actual term plug and play means. Okay, 4 products, the same, regardless of what you're doing. Never have to worry about fiber path. Never have to worry about gender. Okay, so no inventory management. Makes everybody a fiber expert. You won't be sitting hours on the phone tracing fibers trying to find out where something went wrong. And believe me, you and I both been on those conversations.
Yep. Yep.
It's simply a phenomenal system. Obviously we're not on video here, but if you saw my gray in my beard, I showed my age on how many years I spent in the data center, with some issues and things of this sort. But this truly eliminates probably about 99% of your headaches.
Well, I'll tell you, as this was developed, some of the concepts are very simple, but, you scratch the surface, you just think, hey, I just want to plug it in. And I think that's a lot of end users' mentality. They have so many things to worry about past layer one, and even the political, environment that they're dealing with now. And, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's very busy. So having a true plug-and-play solution, I go to that term. I mean, that's been used so much. It's cliche at this point.
But it's funny how you bring that up by saying, you just want to plug it in.
You just want to plug it in.
That's how simple it is, right?
Yep.
You just want to plug it in and want it to work.
And everybody has been saying that for 2 decades now, but it's never really been that way. It's like, well, it's plug and play, but plug and play, but.
Right.
And I like this solution, having our team worked on this, but you just try and make it as simple for the user as possible.
Right.
There's inherent issues with anything. You just want to make it as simple as possible. Take all the guesswork out of it. That combats with, you touched on the point today of, some proprietary type of things, because ultimately manufacturers want you to buy their products.
Right.
So that's always been the frustration we've seen from the users. Yeah, it's great. It looks great. It's marketed very well. But man, once you get into it, once you invest in that initial solution and it looks great, now down the road, oh, now I got to pay out more. I got to pay out. I got to pay out. I got to buy new stuff. I got to buy new stuff.
Kind of stuff. And then, and then again, not to mention downtime,
Right.
Nobody wants that.
Nobody.